Do you know that 87% students in Indonesia have chosen the wrong major to study? This means there are only 13 students from 100 students that have chosen the correct major. Isn't that crazy? Hi everyone, I'm Jane and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about what to do if we feel like we have chosen the wrong major to study. For those who didn't know, I'm currently taking bioengineering major and Bachelor of Engineering. To be honest, I used to want to study in microbiology major and Bachelor of Science. Unfortunately, I didn't get accepted to microbiology, so I decided to just take the ballot and take bioengineering instead. As we know, choosing a major to study is really stressing as it can be. There are too many pressures on us, such as time, your parents' wishes, your economic situation, etc. So we ended up rushing to decide what major to study, although we know that picking a wrong major can make a big impact on our performance in uni and also our overall lives. Therefore, we are going to discuss first, why could we choose the wrong major in the first place? There are 3 reasons why. First, you have no choice but to follow your parents' preferred major. This is probably not a problem if you also like your parents' choices. But in most cases, you don't, right? Second one is because we were rejected to our dream major. This is really sad actually because we have prepared everything to get into that dream major, but still they somehow didn't accept us. And the third one is because we were lacking of information before we get into that major. So turns out that major is outside our expectation. So you ended up hating that major and yourself. Okay, so you have known the reasons. Then these are some things that you can do to deal with your wrong major situation. There are 2 tips based on the reasons we have discussed. First, if this major is your parents' wishes, then you don't have many choices, sadly. One thing you can do is just finish this major and then you graduate. And then you can choose your master degree yourself. You can choose the major that you want. Or if you don't want to wait until you graduate, you can also join for online courses on the internet. Nowadays, there are a lot of platforms and universities that provide a lot of free courses online. You can join them to get the knowledge that you want. Second one, if you were not accepted to your dream major or your current major is outside your expectations, there are some things you can do. First is directly change your major. You can retake the entrance test and just drop your current major out. But remember, to do this, you need to prepare a lot of time and money, or else you can. So instead, what we can do is just to finish this major as well. Because first we can judge a major based on 1 semester or 1 year experience only. It's not valid. And the second one is because there is a big change that your dream major doesn't meet your expectation either. I mean, you haven't really studied in that major, have you? You only know that major based on the syllabus and the review from people. You haven't really experienced it truly yourself, so how can you be so sure that you will enjoy your dream major? So my advice, besties, just get through it. In fact, maybe eventually you will like your current major. I ended up enjoy studying in bioengineering after the 6th semester. And maybe you will too after the 5th or the 6th semester. Because the thing is, most of the time, you won't get to the core of a major before the 5th or the 6th semester. Therefore, instead of wasting time and money to try a new major, you can use them to join some online courses or join some student exchange. In fact, there are a lot of student exchange that also provide a scholarship for you. Nowadays, there are many opportunities to join some student exchange, either nationally or internationally. By joining exchange, you're not only saving your time and money, but also you will get a great experience and also some new friends from all over your country or all over the world. I actually regret that I didn't take the opportunity to join some student exchange. So for you that are only in the 1st or the 2nd semester right now, please don't miss any opportunities. A little advice for you: if you finally decide to just continue your current major, please maintain your GPA at least a little bit above average, because that will be useful if you want to join some student exchange or join a scholarship for your future master degree. Trust me. Remember, friends, there are no major in this world that will match our preference 100%. So if you are not blessed with unlimited time and unlimited money, let's just get through it, okay? I know you can do it. If you made it this far, I congratulate you. And now let's finish this major together. If you love this video, please press the thumbs up button and also the subscribe button so you won't miss any updates from me. In the next video, we will discuss about what to prepare before we enter a uni and also some study tips to survive in uni. So stay tuned, okay? Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!